Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and I hope all of you are fine and enjoying a good health. So in today's video we are going to talk about that how you can earn money online in USA and some of the best online earning methods. So everybody these days everybody wants to earn money online and online working is so much popular among all of the people all over the world. So, in this article, I want to just explain you about the ways and the procedures and the better ways that how you can earn money online and what are the best online earning methods. So, first of all, I would like to tell you the tags about it. Best online earning methods, earning methods, how to earn money online in USA, and how to make money online, money and online earning. So, these all are the phrases and words which are being used to earn money online. And as you can see in this picture, there are a lot of dollars, and everybody want to earn them. So let's talk about a little more. First, we'll talk about the best online earning methods. So the first earning method is freelance work, which is that you can find freelance work in a variety of industries such as writing, web design, programming, virtual assistants, customer service, and much more. So, freelance work is that you can provide the work, and this work includes such as writing, web design, programming, virtual assistants, customer services, and more. A lot of people are doing giving these services as a freelance work from their homes via online working. So there are number of websites and platforms that allow you to find and apply freelance jobs such as Upwork and Fiverr. Fiverr and Upwork is the famous websites for finding out the online work. The people who are seeking a lot of online work, they can just simply go to the Upwork and Fiverr and get some work from there, and they can work online. Number two is online surveys. Online surveys are a great way to make some extra money. This is another way that how you can earn money online by doing online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and they are willing to pay for it. You can find survey sites such as Junkie and Swagbucks that allow you to earn money for taking surveys. So these are two major websites named as Junkie and Swagbucks, which are allowing you to earn money while taking the surveys. The third way to earn money online or to make money online is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn money online. This is such a powerful way to earn money online. It's a performance based system where you can earn money for referring people to a company's products or services. For instance, that there is a website and it's selling the beauty products, and you are working for the specific website, giving them the customers who want these beauty products to this. So that means that that company who is selling their beauty products online, they are going to pay you for giving them customers for their products. So this is the affiliate marketing. You can find affiliate groups from almost any type of product or services, including Amazon Associates and ClickBank. Number four way to earn money online is drop shipping. Drop shipping is a great way to make money online without having to maintain a physical inventory. You partner with a dropshipping supplier and list their products for sale on your website. So, in this dropshipping method, you are selling someone else's products on your own website. And when a customer places an order to you on your website, the supplier fulfills the order and ship it directly to the customer. So you just have to, you know, make a website, put other people's products on it, and if you're getting a good customer for those products, you can just simply send their details to the supplier, and supplier will directly deliver them the products at their doorstep. But as you are giving them customer, so suppliers will give you a percentage or certain amount in return as a online money. So this is such a good method to earn money online, which is drop shipping. Number 5 point is blogging. Blogging is one of the most popular way to earn money online. You can create a blog about any topic that interests you and start making money from it. Blogging is basically those people who love to write and who love to give some good content, writing content on their blogs. People like them, they read them, and as much as traffic is coming on your blogs, you can earn money on them. Same like the YouTube. You are uploading videos, and if you have got good viewership on them, then you earn from those videos. Same is like the blogging. You write the posts, the blogs about certain things, and if you are catching the more traffic, more viewers who are reading your blogs, then you're earning money on that. So you can use blog to monetize your content through affiliate marketing, display ads, and sponsored posts. So if there are some, advertisements coming along with your blogs, affiliate marketing, display ads, and sponsored posts, if they are coming on your along with your blogs on your blogging channel, then website, then you can earn money from those display ads and sponsored posts. If some viewers who are interested to buy anything from those posts or display ads, then they will come on your blog, they will read it, and if they'll click it on any of the ad coming on your blog alongside, then you can earn certain amount on those ads. Same like the YouTube. Top 20 online earning platforms. Now, we have already discussed that how you can earn money online. Now, I'm going to define that how many platforms are there for online work. So, number one, it comes Upwork. This is a platform where you can earn money online. And then there is a Fiverr. The third one is Survey Junkie. And the fourth one comes Swagbucks. There are 20 platforms through where you can earn money online or make money online in USA or all over the world. Wherever you are sitting, wherever you are living, you can earn money through these 20 online earning platforms. Number fifth, there is Amazon Associates. On number six, there is ClickBank. Number seven is Etsy. Eight is Uber. Nine is Airbnb. Number 10, freelancer.com. Number 11, TaskRabbit. Number 12, it's a YouTube. YouTube is coming on number 12, as I've told you earlier, as an example of blogging. Number 13, there is Udemy. 14, Teachable. Number 15, there comes drop shipping. And number 16, affiliate marketing. Number 17, virtual assistants. And number 18, it comes content writing. And number 19, social media management. On number 20, web designs. How to earn money online in USA. So in USA, you can earn money through freelance work. You can find freelance work in a variety of industries such as writing, web design, programming, virtual assistants, customer service, and much more. Few of the popular websites for freelancers in USA include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These are the few topmost popular websites. Number two, online surveys. Companies in US are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and they are willing to pay for it. You can find survey sites such as Survey Junkie and Swagbucks that allow you to earn money for taking surveys. Number three is affiliate marketing. As we have discussed earlier, that marketing is a powerful way to earn money online. You earn money for referring people to a company's product or services. Popular affiliate programs in the US include Amazon Associates and ClickBank. Number four, it comes dropshipping. Dropshipping is a great way to make money online without having to maintain a physical inventory. In this way, you're not maintaining some physical inventory. You are just doing the online work. So it's quite easy from home, from your online place, if you're working online. So you partner with a dropshipping supplier and list their products for sale on your websites. Popular dropshipping suppliers in the US includes AliExpress and Oberlo. Number five, blogging. You can create a blog about any topic that interests you and start making money from it. You can use your blog to monetize your content through affiliate marketing, display ads, sponsored posts, and much more. So guys, this was the whole topic that how you can earn or make money online in USA, best online earning methods I have discussed. So hope this information is quite helpful for all of you to earn different, to get different ways that how you can make money or earn money online in USA or all over the world. So if you like the video, do like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.